We're behind the truck right now, blocking the wind a little bit. But you can't even turn around and look to the north. I mean, your face literally you can't stand it. So bad. This is the worst blizzard I've ever seen. Ever. December 25th, 2009, Christmas Day, Wall, South Dakota. There's part of the road. We've had 2 vehicles stuck today already, and that was this morning as the storm just got here. Interstates are shut down clear across the state, going north and south and east and west. They got about twice as much snow on the east side of the state, but they don't have the wind.